Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I wake up. I open my eyes. The sun is bright. It is a beautiful day. I get out of bed. My feet touch the floor. I walk to the window. I look outside. The sky is blue. I see green trees. I hear the birds. The birds sing a song. I smile. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth. I feel fresh and clean. I walk to the kitchen. I am hungry. I open the fridge. I see milk and bread. I take the milk. I take the bread. I make a simple breakfast. I eat my toast. I drink my milk. It is yummy. Now I go to my room. I put on my favorite blue shirt. I look in the mirror. I say to myself, "Hello, you look good today." I take my bag. I put my English book inside. I put my pen inside. I am ready. I leave my house. I close the door. I walk down the street. The air is warm. I see a black cat. The cat sits on a wall. It looks at me. I say, "Hello, cat." The cat does not say anything. It just looks at me. I laugh. I walk to a small coffee shop. The coffee shop is near my house. I open the door. I hear a bell. Ding dong. I see a woman behind the counter. She is the worker. She has a nice smile. I walk up to her. My heart beats fast. I am a little nervous, but I want to try. I look at her. I say in English, "Good morning. I want a cup of coffee, please." She looks at me. She smiles big. She says, "Good morning, sir. Want coffee? Do you want milk in it?" I understand her. I say, "Yes, please. A little milk." She makes my coffee. It smells so good. She gives me the cup. She says, "Here you go. Have a nice day." I say, "Thank you very much." I take my coffee. I find a chair by the window. I sit down. The coffee is hot. I take a small sip. It is perfect. I take out my English book. I open it to page 1. I start to read my new story. I do not know every word, but I know a lot of them. I guess the rest. I feel so happy. I did it. I spoke English today, and the nice woman understood me. I look out the window. I watch the people walk by. I think about my day. This is my life. This is my story. And today I am the narrator. Tomorrow I will come back. Tomorrow I will order a tea. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.